Beautiful. Just cooked some steaks, so I'm gonna make a little side plate to go with it. I'm gonna start with some arugula, some walnuts, red onion. I just roasted some chickpeas, pickled beets. I air fried some brie cheese with breadcrumbs, blackberries, prosciutto, and then to top it off, I'm gonna do some olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and some hot honey. There it is. Beautiful.
Have a glass, let me put you in the mood. Little Cupid, looking like a student. Long hair with your big fat booty. Back in the days, you was a girl I